Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And look what we have here. This is a Nash Metropolitan. I'm up here at John's Garage in Wake Forest, North Carolina, or Youngsville, I guess you'd say. And this is a customer of his car, brought it in to have a clutch put in it. He does not know what year it is. And I looked on the tail lights and it don't say, it just says made in England. And I'm not going to pop the hood because it's not my car and the owner's not here. See, the grill's getting a little rusty. That's a shame. That would have been it needs to get out here and polish on that before it gets too bad. But check out this color. Now you guys, you know more about these things than I do. Is this an original color? It's like kind of a medium blue with white and red pinstripe. It's got blue wheels. Cool looking little car. This door is locked. It's a hard top. Got a little bitty spare. Look at that. Get you look at that, won't you? You know, I'm sitting here looking at this, trying to say, what would this car be size wise? I'm gonna say Honda Accord 2-door, maybe Camry, 2-door Camry, something like that. So I don't think they make a 2-door Camry anymore, but check out this interior, guys. It's a pretty neat little car. Even the weather stripping's been replaced at some point. Looks nice. Looks very nice. Oh yeah, he's got this seat protected. Got a whopping 80 mile an hour or 85 mile an hour speedo. Check out that shifter where it's mounted at. See that? It's kind of on the dash off to the right of the steering column. Pretty slick. Oh, it's got a back seat. How about that? And there's a lock on the back there. See that lock on the back of the seat there? I'm betting that must fold down to some kind of compartment back there. Pretty cool. This color's working for me, guys. I like it. I like it. Just don't know what the year is. Check these spears out. Ain't that slick? Metropolitan. Nash Metropolitan. See a few of these pop up at the car shows from time to time. This door's not in alignment good on this side. Alright folks, hit that thumbs up button. I wish I could tell you more about this, but just don't know anymore. That's all I got. Maybe might be missing some trim on the back. Yeah, I think we are. Maybe he's got it, it just ain't ready to be put on yet. This paint looks pretty good. I like the way they did this too. That's neat. Alright folks, hit that thumbs up. We'll continue to bring you some cool cars. I sure hope you're enjoying the channel. Bob out.